y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a little recipe that somebody has asked for. They requested a jalapeno cornbread. And I know it looks like I got a lot of stuff going on here, but it's really simple to put together. So let's get that started. I've got my oven set at 400 degrees. And you know what, I'm going to go ahead and slide my little pan in here and start getting that hot, because this won't take but a minute to get. Alright, I'm going to start with 1.25 cups of all-purpose flour. So here's 1 cup. Let's get a quarter. About 1/4 of a cup more in here. I'm just going to use it all. It's time to fill her back up. It's really about 1/4 of a cup. Alright, now we're going to do the same. You want to have the same as with your yellow cornmeal mix. Actually, it's not mixed, it's just yellow cornmeal. So you don't want to get the mix. That's got all the little good stuff already in it. Now, you could start out with the cornmeal mix and do it that way. But I'm just going to show you how if you don't. Alright, about 1/4 cup more of that. Look at there, I had the 1/4 cup sitting right there.
Didn't even use it.
Didn't even use it. Oh, I don't have to let something less I have to wash.
Okay.
Alright, I'm just going to give this a mix and just get it all mixed up together. Now we're going to put a teaspoon of good old baking soda in here. 1 teaspoon of that. And about, if I can get the salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. There we go, a little more than that. Alright, and this recipe does call for some sugar. And we're going to do about a 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. You can totally leave that off if you don't want it. Get all this out of the way. Now we're going to give this another little mix, like so. Get it all mixed in. Alright, now we're going to use 3/4 cup of sour cream and 3/4 cup of milk. And 2 eggs. I think I'll drop my eggs in there first. Get my eggs going. Uh-oh. About dropped it, about did it. Boom. My little sour cream here. 3/4 of the cup. I also like to just use some buttermilk, but this particular recipe that I've used calls for sour cream and milk. So that's what we're doing. Same amount with the milk, 3/4 cup of some whole milk. Alright, now I have got a stick of butter that I've melted, but I've let it cool just a little bit because we don't want it to get in there, cut the eggs and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to pour that in here as I'm mixing. It's just cooled off just a little bit. Yummy. Uh-oh. You zoomed in close and look at me throwing stuff.
Pressure.
Yes, pressure, I tell you what. You make me so nervous, Russell.
Yeah.
You just do.
Yeah. Y'all that's just joining us, she used to not even let me in the kitchen, y'all. If you could believe that.
I really didn't.
She used to put it on tripod. She wouldn't even let me in.
It did make me nervous, really, it did. So I'd say some of the dumbest
I say we come a
things.
long way.
I just be saying some dumb things, so. Yeah. Let me get all this butter out of here. Get all our goodness.
And how much jalapeno was it?
That was 1 seeded and diced jalapeno. And I've got 1 cup of, now I just cut this right off the cob. You can use some frozen corn or whatever, but I got 1 cup.
Fresh corn.
Fresh corn, cut right off the cob, honey.
Yeah, buddy.
Right off the cob.
Man, that's looking good.
Now, we're going to put our cheese in. We're going to put about a cup and a half of cheese. Something like that. Put our little cheese in there. Because that cheese, honey.
Yeah.
That cheese just makes it hit different.
Next level.
Next level. I'll give this a little stir with this. I done got it all up in here. And that's all there is to it, really, y'all. We're going to get it all mixed up. If it looks a little thick to me, I might add another little splash of milk. Look at there. Let me get all my little nonsense out the way. And it looks good.
It does. I can't wait for that thing. Piping in that
Yes,
cast
sir.
iron, y'all. Man, what?
Yeah, I'm going to put just another little dash of milk. It just looks a little thick to me. I just eyeball stuff, y'all. That's what you got to do sometimes. Just eyeball it. Don't let me splash you with nothing, Russell.
No, I'll keep my distance.
All right.
Yep.
All right, now I'm going to get that hot pan up out of here. Get this old hot pan. Now, I have greased my pan with a little bacon fat and a little butter. So, it's not been in there that long, so it's not going to probably hit that sizzle like I like. But, in she goes. Yummy, yummy. Just going to smooth it out here. It's going to rise up, puff up, and do its thing.
And that hot cast iron is what gives it that crunch on the bottom. Y'all.
It does. It does. Like I said, it didn't sizzle like I wanted to. I didn't have it in there, but it's hot.
Yeah,
it's hot.
It's going to still give it a crunch.
She's hot. But we're going to cook this maybe for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And I'll be back.
And I can't wait.
Show y'all what it looks like. All right. This is what she's looking like, y'all. Good old jalapeno cheesy cornbread.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Cheesy jalapeno cornbread.
I can't wait.
All right. We're going to give it a little taste. Y'all, this cornbread's ready. Ready for you, Russell.
I'm ready too.
All right, cheesy jalapeno.
That's some of my favorite stuff here, man. This is my wheelhouse right here. This is my daddy is a cornbread eating man. I'm gonna tell you. Beans and cornbread. That's a upstate of South Carolina. If you want to know what we eat, this is what we eat. And the jalapenos is just next level.
And that cheese.
Oh my goodness. Ooh!
It hit your soul, won't it? We need just some beans right there.
I don't even need nothing. I can just eat that.
We will have more stuff than this
milk.
For our supper.
Glass of milk.
Milk is good.
That's all you need. Glass of milk. That's I'm gonna tell you what. My daddy right. He's on something with that cornbread. He eats it about twice a week. And
yeah, they eat a lot of beans and cornbread.
I mean, that's he's ate it his whole life, and that was out of necessity. Yeah. That's what he grew up eating. That's what they had, and that's what they ate. But he loves it, and he ain't wrong. I'm just gonna tell you, he ain't wrong on it.
Y'all were more of a cornbread in y'all's household. We were more with rice. We had everything with some rice and gravy. So anyway, we was both eating good.
A product of what we grew.
Yeah.
My grandparents were. They grew corn, so. Yep.
Lots of cornbread.
Yep.
Can't go wrong with some cornbread.
Y'all beans or any meal.
Collard
any
green.
meal.
Yeah, any meal.
Really, any meal. That beside any meal is fantastic.
It really is.
And that little bit of jalapeno, a little
just a little bit.
Yeah, it ain't spicy.
It's not. It just gives it just a little bit of flavor. And if you want more spice, leave the seeds in. You can do that.
Yeah,
or
put a
just
little bit more jalapenos in it. Yeah.
Yes, but
it's fantastic.
Gives it just a little more flavor. And the bottom is crispy, crunchy.
Can't get no better. Can't get no better than that.
Anyway, there it is.
Hey, even the neighbors here. The neighbor wants some. They smelled it and they want some. The rain going off, the dog's going crazy.
It's actually our grandbaby, so we got to go.
Yeah, it is. They smell. Somebody smelled this cornbread cooking and want something to eat.
All right.
Well, we got to wrap it up, y'all. We'll catch y'all on the next one.
Till next time.